Good morning and welcome to the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. Starting us off, taking a look at the current radar out there, looking to remain clear of any precipitation, at least in the immediate vicinity. Do have some light showers off the coast and continuing to see those kind of regenerate, but not really anticipating them working their way into the local area until later this afternoon when some sea breeze boundaries might set up and kick off some convection. Now, taking a look at the week ahead, we'll see a large ridge building in over the mid-Atlantic region, which we can see in the bottom left here, and we'll also have high pressure building in over the southeast, which we can see on the top left. And as a result, aside from those slight chances of lingering showers tomorrow morning, we'll be looking to remain dry or mostly dry for the next 7 days, with temperatures trending above seasonal averages and daily highs in the upper 80s and low 90s by early next week. Otherwise, the trend does look to remain the same until late next week, when our chances of rain do return, although not incredibly strong signals, but a signal of rain nevertheless, as another front is set to move through the region. But overall, yeah, looking like a nice next 7 days once we get into the weekend, as we have that high pressure and ridge building in over the area. Looking at the 24-hour forecast here, seeing mostly cloudy skies, some broken conditions as of current, and expecting that to continue into the afternoon. Seeing an increase in total coverage as we move past midday into the overnight hours, and then once we get past midnight, starting to see those broken conditions thin out a bit and ultimately turn into scattered skies or scattered cloud cover by early tomorrow morning. Temperatures today climbing into the mid-80s and dropping down to around 70, with light winds for a majority of the day, shifting out of the northeast by tomorrow morning, gusting into the mid-teens, with the possibility of seeing some stronger gusts this afternoon tied to some convection. Otherwise, our rain chances do look to increase past midday and kind of taper out once we get out of the evening hours or into the late evening. We'll start to see those rain chances trending downwards, and then we'll also see the chance of some low-level cloud cover building in overnight as those temperatures continue to drop. For the next 2 days here, looking good as far as operational concerns goes. We do have greens across the board on Saturday, looking at mostly cloudy conditions, high around 82. Saturday night, partly to mostly cloudy with a high of 68, and Sunday, partly cloudy, seeing plenty of sunshine, high of 83. And for the days following Sunday, we'll see partly cloudy conditions, plenty of sun, plenty of humidity, and temperatures on the rise above average for the remainder of the 7-day period. Into the end of next week, we'll see those above average temperatures continuing. Again, seeing a slight chance of rain work its way into the end of the forecast. But overall, a nice week ahead for our next 7 days. And that's going to conclude our 7-day outlook here. Hope everyone has a wonderful rest of their day and wonderful weekend. We'll be back on Monday at 8:15 with the daily weather operations brief.